Hey my queens, welcome back to my channel. So we're just going to jump right into this wig from MsBuy. This is their body wave 22-inch 360 wig, and actually I think it's just a lace front wig, but I will leave all the specs down below. I can't keep up sometimes, I do so many wigs. So this is what comes in there. The wig comes in a Ziploc bag, and then you also get a little pamphlet that says MsBuy with some care instructions, and you also get some 2 wig caps and some lashes. So I'm going to take my Got2b gel and I'm going to put it right along my hairline. Right in this area I went ahead and took off my makeup, so it is clean. So I'm just going to put just a thin layer of the Got2b gel, and then I'm going to use some of my Got2b free spray, and I'm going to make sure that I use the cool setting on my blow dryer and just let that get tacky. This time I'm not using the stocking cap method. I just wanted to quickly just get up on this wig. If you see any white cast on my hair, that is the a new edge control that I was using, and of course I'm not going to be using it again because yeah, it leaves a white cast. So here is the wig. It does the hairline does come slightly pre-plugged, but you'll see throughout the video I'm going to go ahead and get that hairline to my liking and together and a little less moon shaped. So yeah, I'm getting out with whatever music I'm listening to. I don't even remember what it was, but yeah, I'm just gonna press that lace into my skin. I went ahead and bleached the knots on this wig so I wouldn't have to worry about that. So right here I'm just plucking out some hairs in the part that I have, and as you can see there is a lot of parting space with this wig. I love the deep part that I can get with this wig, but it does come a little bit dense, so I just wanted to take out some hairs and make sure that that part is pronounced.
Wake up in the morning, bust a me up. Haven't slept in days, I'm with the demons. Flexing on my ass cause I don't need help. Cause one of us eating, we eating. Chopping up a chicken like I'm feasting. Trying to find a purpose in the reason. Hazy in the air, it's hard to breathe in. Hey baby, I ain't care about feelings. Beast mode.
So right here I'm just taking my tweezers and I'm taking out some hairs, and the hairline is not super duper dense. Like I said, it did come slightly pre-plugged, but I wanted to take out some more hairs just to get it to my liking, and I'm going to do that on both sides. And like I said in a lot of my videos, it might look like I'm being a lot, a little rough, but it's really nice just because this portion is sped up.
Made for the moment, so I gotta show it. I'm just heading for success, top tier, nothing less. Progress, no regrets. With all the work I done pressed, 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 all the work I done pressed. Wake up and it's still dark, cause I gotta set me apart, cause I gotta grind from the start. From the road I can start. Mama told me go hard, and you gotta work with your heart. But I only did it for her, to buy her a house and a car. So the hustle made me hungry, with money barely coming monthly. I had to see for the plug, they made it go over 100. Then I had to go up and running, then I had to bounce up and gun it. There was no time for discussions, cause we was busy. it's all coming. Tired of running, make something from nothing. Too many dudes be fronting, afraid of keeping it 100.
In this video, I really wanted to tweeze the hairline and get it to my liking while the wig was on my head, because I think it kind of works a little bit better that way. I still will probably use my wig head and do go back and forth, but I think that this way is awesome. Like, it really looks really natural. And I'm just adding some powder just to make it look that much more realistic. Even though I really didn't even need to, the way this wig bleached, it was awesome. But I will say, if you're gonna do this method, right, tweezing while the wig is on your head, make sure that the actual gel or glue or whatever you're using is completely dry, so that you're not disturbing that process. So this is what the hairline pretty much looks like after I'm done. I'll probably go in a little bit more later, but I don't want to create any bald spots or anything like that. So you definitely have to just, yeah. But this wig is intact, it's on, and of course you can definitely make your wig still look super natural even without the stocking cap method. That method is just time consuming sometimes, and I still love doing it. I probably still will do it a lot, but yeah, I'm just gonna put some final touches on my look all together, just because my lipstick had came off. I had already eaten and everything, so I needed to go ahead and reapply my lipstick and all of that good stuff. But yeah, if you have any questions about the look, about this wig, leave it down below in the comment section. I definitely would recommend MsBuy. I really love this wig. The construction is really nice. The hair density is really nice. It's definitely similar to the Elva wigs that I reviewed, but this one is just a little bit different in texture. I really love it though. It's super gorgeous. So definitely check out their website. I will leave all of their links down below, and I will see you queens in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and pray for me as I continue to pray for you. Love you guys so much. Deuces.